Imagine being just like the temple. Just like the temple in Jerusalem, which didn't actually get the light from outside, but was able to spread its light to the world, you would be able to do the same. Well, actually, in this week's Torah portion, the Torah tells us, Ve'asuli migdash, they will make for me a sanctuary, a temple. Ve'shachanti betocham, and I will dwell in them. Why them? Because every single one of us is a temple. You see, in the temple, in the sanctuary, in the Holy of Holies, over there was the ark. The ark contained the 2 tablets with the 10 commandments. On top of this ark were 2 baby-faced angels. Between them, the voice of God would speak to Moses. Right in front of the curtain, on the north side, were the 12 showbreads. Across from them, the menorah was at the south. And just a little retracted in the middle, a little altar with the 11 incenses, the Mizbeach HaKetoret. Our sages teach us in Kabbalah that actually this is the face and the body of man. The 2 tablets, the 10 commandments, are the 2 brains. The 2 baby-faced angels are the ears. The voice of God speaks to us through our mind. The eyes, which represent the menorah, represents spirituality. Opposite to spirituality, across from it, is the showbread, the mouth. And in the middle, we have the nose, which is the Mizbeach HaKetoret, the incense. Not spiritual completely, not completely physical, but just in the middle. And in the temple, you had the Mizbeach, the altar. This altar was actually the place where we offered the different sacrifices of different types of animals. This is the heart. The heart of man is burning with a fire. We have to make sure to offer the right things on this fire. In the temple, the main service was the service of sacrifices. Whenever we elevate ourselves and we sacrifice a little of our desire to God, to do something positive, to do something holy, at this moment, you're just like the temple. So what are you waiting for? Shine your light.